Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this Movo microphone. I absolutely love it, guys. I think it's amazing. It has definitely stepped up my content creation to the next level. I love how crisp and clear your voice sounds whenever you're using it. I'm actually going to show you how it sounds, guys, but first I wanted to show you all of the different things that it comes with. So the first thing that it comes with obviously is the Movo microphone. The Deadcat, as they call it, already comes included. Next, we have the two different stands, guys. This is the stand that you will use for the DSLR cameras, and this is the stand that you will use for your smartphone. I definitely use this one the most because I typically record with my smartphone. We have the two different cables. This cable is the one that you will use for your smartphone, and this cable is the one that you will use for your DSLR camera. I typically use this one the most, guys, because like I mentioned before, I always use my smartphone to record my videos, so I definitely use this one. Now have in mind that you will need the adapter that connects from the cable onto your smartphone. It does not come included, so make sure you get that. It also comes with a little Movo bag, so you can just put the microphone in there. I don't really use this little bag, guys, but it does come in handy if you travel a lot with it. And finally, it comes with a manual, guys, but trust me, you're not even going to need to use it because it's super easy to install, very easy to use. So if you are wanting it for your smartphone, all you have to do is just clip on the little stand like this. It is super easy to clip on. Make sure that you clip it on by pressing it here. Don't press it here because you will break it. So right now I'm recording with my iPhone. There's no speaker attached to it. This is the normal mic that already comes included with the iPhone. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the Movo microphone so you can hear the difference. So this is me without the microphone, and this is me talking with the microphone on, guys. As you can see, crisp, clear. I really love the sound of it. It's super easy to use. It's very easy to connect. Also, you're not even going to need the manual, guys, because it's that easy to connect. But yeah, guys, this Movo microphone is definitely an upgrade to your regular iPhone mic. It has also helped my content creation a lot, and I would definitely recommend it.